this is the Zatarain's shrimp, black bean, and cilantro lime rice. So let's taste it. Let's get a little bit of everything. There's a shrimp right there. All right, let's taste it. That's a good quick meal. Need just a little bit extra kick to it, a little more seasoning, but it's definitely seasoned because Zatarain food is usually seasoned anyway. So this is seasoned, but I just want a little bit more spicy. So you can probably add a little bit of Tony Satcher or whatever your preference is using, but yeah, I like it. It's good. All right, let me enjoy it, and I will see y'all on the next video. Peace. We at Kohl's. Yeah, we at Kohl's. Like this purse, it is, I think it's regular $59, and then it'll be, what is it, $23.60. Then I got a 25% off coupon. This is cute too. How much is this? It's $70. This one may even be more functional. So $70. It'll be $31. That ain't bad. Yeah. I asked somebody which one she like. I don't like those. I want a backpack person. I don't want those. None of those. None of those. Yeah, none of those. Let me find my mom and see which one she likes. Which one? This one? Or
you like a big purse?
This one?
Because I said they got this one. I saw this one. That's similar to what you got there, but you like the print, of course. That's summer.
Yeah.
Yeah. $79, though.
But it's 60% off. So it's $31.
You got a lot to go in your purse?
I do.
Yeah, I guess you want the bigger one. I think I like this one, just the looks of this one, but I don't think it's going to be big enough.
Yeah, I probably get my wallet and stuff in there, but I need to declutter kind of, but I do like that one. Cute little purse. Yeah, we're gonna go with that one. Okay. That pink one look good on your skin.
My old lovers fall into my covers where they sink one by one. Yeah, I watch them disappear to nothing, disposable as chewing gum. There are deal breakers where I come from. My family don't suffer, fools glad they know. Do we kiss and lie in bed to fill awkward silences? Do we feel emptiness afterwards? 'Cause I want something deeper. If I'ma find a keeper, not saying I'm some genius, but I'm smart enough to know I'm worth fighting for. Yeah, I want something deeper. If I find him, I'ma keep him. Not saying I'm some genius, but I'm smart enough
Y'all, I'm in Burlington. My hair look a hot mess. I'm out here with my auntie. The infamous Angela Byrne. She wants to come to Burlington, so we came here. It's the grand opening. My outfit of the day. Got my pedicure.
Cause I want something deeper. If I'ma find a keeper. Not saying I'm some genius, but I'm smart enough to know I'm worth fighting for. Yeah, I want something deeper. With my senses, when I'm blessed with your presence, stimulate my mental and my physical as you speak pleasure into my existence.